Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you how fun physics work. If the big block is in the middle, if the bigger block is there, it won't work. But when the block is not there, where did I go? Oh, there. Phew. Can you put it on? Whee! Steady. So woo! That was awesome. Go make it even higher. It just touched the roof. That was awesome. Gunga, Ging. This is awesome. Right, this worked for me. It must only work outside. By the way, this background music. Boom, chicka boom. Boom, chicka boom. Boom, chicka boom. Boom, chicka boom. Chicka boom. Boom, chicka boom. Boom, chicka boom. Boom, chicka boom. Boom, boom. Boom, chicka boom. Boom. This is awesome. Awesome. I like this new mechanic. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Haha. Today I'm going cave diving. Where should we go? Into here. This would be awesome. Like and subscribe. I said that about 2 times, I think. I don't really know. Can't believe this and fix the cave diving issue in Animal Company. Yeah! Save my hands! Save my hands! Yeah, I can't go cave diving. Goodbye.